Hey, I'm Zoe.
And I'm Darrell.
And this is Taste Off,
The show where you challenge us to recreate your favorite restaurant dishes.
We go to the restaurant, we try it, and then we come back here and recreate it in 30 minutes.
And then the challenger comes on and tells us who did a better job.
It's definitely me.
It'll always be me.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
What's up, D?
Yo, yo, yo.
All right, another day.
Another dollar.
All right, so Sarah challenged us. Let's
right.
see what we have.
Hey guys, it's Sarah, and my favorite dish is the Soul Food Sunday Shrimp and Grits from Annie's Edibles. I challenge you guys to make it.
Shrimp and grits.
You see this face right here?
That's that good food face.
I'm gonna just go third person a little bit. So Rel
okay.
actually grew up on Soul Food Sundays. That's what got him into cooking.
Yes.
I make the best shrimp and grits in the entire world. Annie's Edibles, though, I've heard, is actually
Soul
like an
Food
excellent.
Sundays?
Yeah. They only serve it this one day a week too, so
because it's special. It's
this
special.
thing better
like,
be amazing.
Like hugs your soul, hugs your body, hugs
Let's make
your
it happen.
heart. Let's just go, man.
And we out. Soul Food Sunday, baby.
Ready to get some
Sunday.
grits? So hungry.
Shrimp
Let's
and
do
grits.
this. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
Okay.
Annie's Edible Soul.
Are you Annie?
I am.
Hey.
This is who we came to see.
It's nice to meet you.
You too. What's your name?
I'm Darrell.
Darrell. Nice to meet
Zoe.
you. Zoe.
And
Nice
we
to have you.
hear that your shrimp and grits are out of this world.
This is
Well,
what I
we
grew
think
up
so.
on.
Really?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Philly.
Oh, okay.
My grandma's from South Carolina.
Okay. Well, we think we make the best shrimp and grits this side of the Mississippi. So I
I'm
think
so
you're gonna be good.
excited.
All right. So can I guess that's what both of you guys
Yes,
are having?
we're here for the shrimp and grits.
Okay.
One each because I'm not going to share with
You're
him.
not going to share. I
No.
don't blame you.
Is it coming?
Yeah.
I feel like something is coming.
Ladies first.
Yes.
Shut.
Are you serious?
I know.
Oh.
It's probably a little bit prettier than your grandma's.
Sauce. I'm going with a spoon. Okay, this is.
Come on
All right,
now.
cheers.
You think I don't know how you know
I
grits?
mean, oh gosh.
Wait till my mom see this.
Oh. Wow. Need a moment.
It's the perfect consistency of a grit.
Oh my god, juicy shrimp. Perfectly cooked.
Yeah, this is a perfectly cooked shrimp.
Can I lick my fingers?
Oh, good.
This is a-
They're yours.
It's not good. The grits are not like cheesy. They're just straight, really good, well done grits. It's all about the sauce here, for
Sauce
sure.
is like a
Tomato
cream.
base, cream
Picking
for
up
sure.
like a cream to give it that nice silkiness.
This is Dante. He's the one who did
Dante.
this.
How we doing?
Just come here. I love you.
That's what
I appreciate this.
These are delicious.
This is excellent.
They're
Thank you,
so
thank
So you don't know that
Good.
he grew up on shrimp and grits with his grandma. So
Yes, sir.
I told him we had this.
These
Man,
are
this-
literally one of the best
Thank
grits
you.
I've had.
Thank you.
Now we're having a competition to see who
Okay.
can recreate your grits the best.
Okay.
So
It's
you
not
have.
gonna be easy, but all right.
I mean, you know, it's a tough challenge. We're definitely gonna have it
And
more
here's
cut
what
out.
happened. She already has a pact with Annie. And so any tips you can give me, you can just pull me to the side at the end.
Uh-huh.
All right.
We're just not gonna share them with her.
Thank you so much, Dante. This is delicious. But let's get back to the kitchen and throw down because this is insane.
I'm taking all these shrimps with me.
Okay.
I might even take the plate.
Let's just go. Let's just go. Those shrimp and grits were amazing.
These are probably some of the best shrimp and grits I've had, honestly.
And to be honest, I'm a little nervous about recreating them because shrimp and grits are a feeling. Like, there's no exact measurements, so we
felt
just
that
gotta feel this one out. You ready for this?
Let's get it done. Maestro.
30 minutes on the clock. Oh, it's happening. It's happening.
That's fast. All right, so Mom, I put some white wine.
Oh.
It's my little twist to it. My mom ain't put no
Okay.
white wine, but I put a little white wine. And we got the cream.
The shrimp was seared separately.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm gonna do as well.
Same. All right, we going in. 20 minutes? Perfect.
20 minutes.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook these shrimp almost to done. And then I'm gonna just finish them
Oh,
up in
you're
the
going to
sauce.
salt and pepper?
Yeah.
Salt and pepper. Sounds a little boring to me, to be honest.
This is what I'm saying, Zoe.
Sneaky.
I don't think you realize who you in the ring with.
I don't think you
I'm a
realize who you're
gorilla.
doing it. Okay.
Now I think what his secret was. He didn't use no regular cream.
I mean, I'm no expert here, but I know regular cream when I see regular cream.
What?
And him, my friend.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cream cheese?
That
Really?
cream cheese. They give you that extra.
Okay. All right. Butter. More butter than you think is
Yeah, right.
going into my grits. It's all about the sauce. All about the sauce. All about my sauce.
Oh, perfect. All right.
4 minutes. All right.
Like I got more time just to let this sauce do what it does.
Saucy, saucy.
I feel like his sauce is on the bottom.
Hey. Anytime now.
Good.
Good shrimps right there. Hello.
Hey, hey.
All right, Sarah. Thank you so much for sending us to Annie's Edibles for Soul Food Sunday. Oh, it was so good. But now we had to recreate it for you, so.
Here's your opportunity to try our version of it and compare it to the others. I think I got an idea of who won this one, so.
We'll see.
I know, girl. No bias. Go ahead.
All right, I'm gonna give it a
back
shot.
Minding our own business back here.
All right, so this one right here, I'm liking the presentation a lot. It looks a lot like the real thing. It has a lot of green onions, which is something that they do. This one, it looks like, you know, it was made at home, which is a good thing. I think that's kind of what they go for, so let's give it a shot. All right. Okay, I need to get a shrimp bite as well. Nice and smoky. Sensing some good Cajun spices there. Time for round 2. It's not quite as smoky or spicy, but it does feel very warm and filling, which is kind of what I'm feeling right now. But I'm gonna have to say that this one tastes more like the real thing. So that's my winner.
That's right.
All right.
That's right. Hey.
I think I need another bite.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, I'm gonna let you down, I'm sorry.
Latina cooking shrimp and grits.
Good shout out.
Boom, there you go.
All right, so if you guys got a restaurant that you want to challenge us to, make sure you use #TasteOff.
And let us know, because we want to go there, we want to eat it, and we want to recreate it right here. Thank you guys for watching.
Good job.
Thanks.